Hello everybody, welcome to a new week and therefore a new book. This week we will be looking at the book By the Stream. Again, this is an Oxford Owl book, so you can find it on the link that I send you. But first, let's talk about our reading strategies. So again, we have lots of different reading strategies. Eagle eye, lips the fish, stretchy snake, chunky monkey, trying lion, skippy frog, flippy dolphin, careful caterpillar. Today we're going to be using eagle eye. So when I use eagle eye, I look at the word first and I find the beginning letter. Then I look at the picture and try and find something that has that beginning letter. So let's have a go. So this is the first word. So I'm going to look at the first sound first. The sound is B. Say it with me. B, B, B. B for ball. Let's have a look in the picture if we can find anything that begins with B. Does anybody know what this is? This is a bridge. B, 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 bridge. Let's do that together. B, 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 bridge. Fantastic. A bridge is something that we have over water, so we can walk over a river, we can walk over a lake. Bridge. B, B, bridge. Okay, let's have a look at the next word. The next word begins with S, 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 S. Let's try that together. S, S, S. Fantastic. What can you see in this picture that begins with S? A stream. S, S, S. Stream. Your turn. S, S, S. Stream. A stream is a small body of water that leads to the sea. It leads to a river. It's a stream. Let's have a look at the last word for today. This word begins with a T, 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 T. Your turn. T, T, T. If we use eagle eye, what can you see in the picture that begins with T? T, T. Teddy. Great job. Let's say it together. T, T, T. Teddy. Fantastic. So let's read By the Stream. By the stream. Boys and girls, I want you to follow along with your finger as I read. Mum and Dad sat on the rug. The children played by the stream. Biff went on the bridge. They dropped sticks in the water. Kipper couldn't see. Kipper climbed up. He dropped Teddy in the water. Get Teddy, said Kipper. Biff couldn't get Teddy. Get Teddy, said Kipper. Mum couldn't get Teddy. I want Teddy, said Kipper. Dad couldn't get Teddy. Dad fell in. Splash! I am a frogman, said Dad. Great listening, everybody. Before we move on to our quiz, I want you to rewind this video and listen to the story 2 more times. Make sure that you are following along with your finger to listen to the story. If you want, you can go to this link that I will put in the description and you can flick through the book yourself and listen to the audio there. But it's up to you, you can decide. When you have finished listening to it 3 times, you're then going to go and do your Kahoot quiz. The quiz is called By the Stream RARP Day 1. I will send you the link. By now you should know what you're doing with the Kahoot quizzes, so you need to put your name in the bottom, press OK, go, and then you can play and I can see how well you do. Fantastic listening, everybody. Well done. I can't wait to see your answers on Kahoot. I would love if you could send me a video of you either listening to the story, and even better if you could read the story. That would be fantastic.